Good morning, my friends. This is Monica with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. This is number 5 of the 12 desserts of Christmas. It's this amazing bear claw cake. Come along with me and I'll show you how to get it done. Let's start with a 1/4 cup of butter. Quarter cup of your milk of choice. One egg. One teaspoon of almond extract for that authentic bear claw taste. One 1/4 cup of coconut sugar or brown sugar substitute. One cup of almond flour and 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Mix these together. This is a 7-inch springform pan. I am only making half of the recipe, so I'm going to use a smaller springform pan. And just pour your batter into it. Spread the batter out evenly. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. This is what your cake will look like. The center portion is that mimic of that creamy filling in a bear claw. Pull your cake out when it looks golden like this, and you can test it with a toothpick. Now I'm going to run this butter knife around the edge of the cake to loosen it before I open up this springform pan. Look at this cake. This is only half of the recipe, so you can make the full recipe in the description below. Now I'm going to make the glaze drizzle. This is 4 tablespoons of sugar-free powdered sweetener with just a couple of drops of milk of choice. We just want this thin enough so we could drizzle it on the cake. Now for the slivered almonds. This looks just like a bear claw. With so many desserts that I've been making, I'm just going to take a really small piece of this cake. You guys gotta really try this. It tastes just like a bear claw. And that center of the cake is just like the filling that you find inside a bear claw. Well, thank you for watching the video and the 12 desserts of Christmas. And as always, may God bless you.